Okay, well, I'm in the shop here now, in the office in the shop. Let's go outside. I got a new, yeah, something new to do. I got my granddaughter a new little dirt bike here, and it's the wrong color, so I got to make it pink, or at least the plastic pink. Everything black's gonna stay black, but yeah, I'm gonna take all the red and white, and I'm gonna turn it pink. But anyway, I've already got some bolts taken out of it here. I don't know if this light's doing any good, but yeah, it all just kind of comes off in one big piece. So I got to come in here now and take these screws off and take all this plastic off, and then start jerking these stickers, and I'm gonna try to do a wrap job. Never messed with wrap before, but I got some ordered off Amazon or wherever she bought it, and we're gonna try to wrap some plastic. I don't know much about it, but yeah, it's gonna be interesting. But stay tuned. This is a little Coolster. This is a 110. Let me tell you about this little booger. Perfect for kids. My older granddaughter's already got one. She's got a KTM 100 or something. But anyway, this is a little Coolster. CDI engine. I don't know what any of that means. There's no gear shifter, so it's fully automatic. You just give it the gas and it goes. But yeah, it's built like a real dirt bike. It's got these little, I call them blister busters, because with your hand you're gripping so long you get these blisters right here. But yeah, I used to buy them whenever I used to ride YZF 250s. But I like it, my wife likes it because it's got this little adjuster right here. You can adjust the throttle to only go so fast. So as they grow, you can start screwing this out and give them more throttle where they can really rip and ride. Plus it's electric start. Yeah, let's check that out. It's got a little key down here. I'm not used to, yeah. Probably needs a choke and gas turned on there. I'll get her started here in a sec. Okay, yeah, I'm not used to all these safety features and stuff. Yeah, just turn the key on here. And then you gotta push your button here. This guy had it turned off. But push that. Turn your gas there on. Yeah, fires right up. It's even got an aluminium cover with a hose and a vent. Yeah, that's like a $30 setup. You buy that for a Yamaha or a normal race bike. Yeah, it's gonna work pretty good. I rode it and pulled a wheelie about, yeah, once I figured the gas and throttle out. So it'll wheelie pretty good, and the throttle's even set on it. Yeah, one little 110 engine. Yeah, I'm hoping she likes it. For sure. But I'm going to get to working on ripping this. I'm hoping these stickers, since they're so new, they might just come right off. So yeah, I'll get back with you when I get some of these stickers here peeled off. O'Brien Ventures, I'm into wrapping now. I do lawn care and window wrapping. Okay, there's all the stickers there. But yeah, they peeled off pretty good. The newer you peel them off, the quicker, yeah. Better they come off. But now I'm gonna come in here and take all these pieces of plastic here off. Gotta take all these Phillips screwdriver deals, and then wipe all the pieces down with alcohol, and I'm just waiting on the wrap then. But stay tuned, O'Brien Adventure Outdoors doing a wrap. Never thought I'd be doing a wrap, but yeah. Oh, what the grandkids will get you to do. But we love our grandchildren. Stay tuned, O'Brien Adventure Outdoors. So I'm gonna go back in here and hang out in the shop. Or here, breathe deep. Yeah, when it's nasty out, I'll come in here and hang out. Fridge here. But yeah, I'll come in here and hang out. It's kind of crappy outside today. The ATV and the lawnmower. Yeah, it's kind of rainy out today. Waiting for the rain to quit. It's Friday, 10:15. Stay tuned, O'Brien Adventure Outdoors, working on the dirt bike.
And under cabinets and chairs. It features a 300.
Okay, I got all the plastic off the little scooter here. It's quite bare now. There's a little battery. Yeah, she's all black now, besides the number plate. But here's the plastic. Got the front fender, rear fender, shock covers, side cowling, and number plates. But just waiting on the vinyl wrap to get here. We'll give her a whirl. Stay tuned, O'Brien Adventure Outdoors. Okay, I got the vinyl wrap here in. It's a 3M. Vivid or something. Oracle. But yeah, it's I think 5 feet by I don't know how long. It's pretty good a spool. But I got my pieces here laid out. And where I took my Dremel on these fork covers on the edges here where it's kind of rough, I come in and heated it. And if you know how, whenever you heat plastic, it just kind of, yeah, you can mold it and get those rough edges off. But yeah, I had to do my shock covers and then this chain guard. There's a couple spots here I had to come in and straighten it up. But I'm getting ready to wipe it down with some denatured alcohol, get them all clean, and then my heating blanket here on my bed, I'm going to turn it on and put my pieces underneath the bed and heat the pieces of plastic up. Hopefully that'll help. But yeah, vinyl wrap. We'll see how it goes. Okay, I got the piece laid out. So it's probably 5 by 5 or 5 by 6 piece. Yeah, it's a pretty good piece, size piece. Okay, I come in here now and taped them all off and painted the back sides. All the back sides of everything. There's the front fender. Still red. Chain guard. It's all taped off. But just waiting for it to dry. Forgot to turn on my fan here to dry them. But stay tuned. I got to, yeah, I had to come in here, like I said, and tape them all off. There's the rear fender. But I'll peel the paper off tomorrow, the backing. And I tried doing the wrapping myself, vinyl wrap, and no, it's not for me. It takes a special person to do it. So my wife, she knows somebody that does vinyl wrapping. We're going to have her to do it. But I'm really good at painting. But vinyl wrapping takes, yeah, special skills, and especially for these little pieces. I might be able to do a door or a hood or something, but no, this little stuff is too intricate for me. I should have got your video, because it took me about an hour and 45 minutes or 2 hours just to do these two pieces, these front forks. But yeah, they was very unacceptable. They had too many wrinkles and everything. But anyway, I'm gonna have somebody else try to vinyl wrap it, not for me. Stay tuned though. See how the little scooter turns out for my granddaughter. Paint change. Okay, I got my last coat on them here. There's chain guard, number plates, and engine cowling, and rear fender. Then over here I got my fork guards. They turned out good, and front fender interior. But yeah. Just waiting for them to dry now, and then I'm gonna peel the paint off. Stay tuned. They go to get wrapped in the morning. It's like 10:30 or 11 at night, Sunday. Welcome back to O'Brien Adventure Outdoors. Get these boogers unwrapped. I'm curious to see how they look. I don't like leaving tape on overnight because it makes it harder the next day to get off. I'm gonna unwrap some of these and let's take a look and see how they are. Okay. Kind of show you these here. This is a chain guard. She's supposed to do something on the outside of that. My shock rear fender turned out pretty good, I guess. Front fender. Like I said, all this will be wrapped outside of it. There's the side. The pink turned out pretty good. And here's the number plates. They turned out pretty good. Look at that line there. Yeah, she told me to come along the top here. This is where the seat sets up here. And then this hooks in here somehow. Over here. There we go. There it is. But yeah, it all turned out pretty good for sure. Y'all might be wondering what these deals are on my fingers. They're called ganglion cysts. I damaged them in a motorcycle accident. Whenever you damage a joint, these little bubbles, water bubbles, come up on there. But yeah, I'm waiting on my doctor to get with me. I'm gonna see about getting them whacked out of there. But anyway, yeah, y'all probably wonder what they are because you see them all the time. But anyway, it's just a cyst where I traumatized them back when I was dirt bike riding. These are my clutch fingers, and I had a wreck and crushed them in between the clutch handle and the ground. So yeah, but anyway, yeah, I'm getting ready to take these over to the wrap lady and get them done, and give her a couple of days and see if we can't have them back by Wednesday for my granddaughter's birthday party. Stay tuned. O'Brien Adventure Outdoors, wrapping the little mini dirt bike for my granddaughter. I'm not. I tried it. Couldn't do it. I'm a painter though. Stay tuned. O'Brien Adventure Outdoors. Such a beautiful day. Thank you, Lord, Father God, for this beautiful day. Ain't a cloud in the sky. Sun's looking good. Slight breeze out of the north. Everybody have a great day. Okay, got my pieces back finally. The lady that I took my film to, this is the film, but she couldn't do this either. So I'm having to paint it. But that's my last two pieces to paint. Turn this radio down.
For several Republicans is the significant gap.
Yeah, look at that booger now. That thing looks totally different, don't it? Yeah, she put a stripper on the front fender. Yeah, everything's film. This is paint down here. You can tell the lighter of it. But yeah. Yeah, changed it from the red for sure. So yeah, hope the granddaughter likes it. Even got some deals for her name here. I don't know where to stick them at yet. Sure don't. But yeah, vinyl wrap, it's hard, so I had to take it and let this lady we know do it. That thing turned out pretty good. Yeah. Well, tonight's her birthday, Wednesday. Stay tuned. I'll try to get video of it whenever we give it to her. Stay tuned, O'Brien Adventure Outdoors. Okay, got the shop guards on. They turned out really good. Slight difference in the color, but it's pink. Yeah. Take it for a ride. From a coolster to a something pink. Yeah, thing there really glistens in the sun. Okay, got her name here stuck on it. Looks pretty good there. And stuck the other one back here on the back number plate. But yeah, the booger turned out pretty good. From the red coolster to the pink Barbie. What's this thing look like? Huh?
Too fast, you'll have a wreck.
Hey. Okay, let's get it out. No.
You seem a little wait.
Ride it.
It does look fuller.
Great. There's her little sign in the front yard.